name of Allah who is the most gracious and the most merciful, starting the summary of a book. Okay, the name of the book is How to Enjoy Your Life and Job. It is written by Dale Carnegie, who is an American writer. Okay, he's one of the greatest writers in the history. And this book has 4 parts. Okay, the first one is 7 ways to get peace and happiness. Second one is how to enjoy your job. The third one is how to enjoy your life, and after that, influencing people. I am going to give a presentation on the first part, and that one is 7 ways to gain peace and happiness. So, in this part, there are some points, many crucial points, 7 points that will somehow help you to change your life if you apply them. Okay, so the first one is be yourself. All of you are always listening this point from your teachers and your elders. Okay, all of them are telling you that just be yourself no matter what the world says. Okay, and the first question in being yourself is how to find yourself. How can you find yourself? Okay, you can find your own self, your own personality by just one thing, and that thing is thinking. If you think something about your own self, you would say that I am unique. Okay, you people tell me, what is the population of the world? 8 billion. Okay, and can you tell me how many, identical people are there? कितने हमशक्ल होते हैं? 7. अगर आप, if you believe in it. And in those 7, आप जैसा कोई है? No. This means you are the only one in almost 8 billion. Yes, how many zeros a billion have? Yes. In 8 billion, you are the only person that is only one. All of you are that. ठीक हो गया? आप वाहिद ऐसे बंदे 8 करोड़ में जो कि आप हैं. That's the main point of this one. You people have to find yourself first, and after that, start being yourself. There is a story on this. A lady who was a little bit fat, थोड़ी मतलब हट्टी कट्टी थी, तो she was somehow facing inferiority complex, एहसास कमतरी की शिकार हो रही थी. तो she was just not facing people, not making friends. She was just lonely. After she got to her college and she gained her degree, she didn't have any friends at that time too. And after that, in the end, she married. Okay, her husband was also somehow, she was not cooperating with her husband, and somehow in the end she started thinking about suicide. खुदकुशी करने की तरफ चलने लगी. तो she was just talking to her mother-in-law. While talking with her mother-in-law said one point. And what was that point? She said that I have taught my kids to be themselves. मैंने अपने बच्चों को ये सिखाया कि वो अपनी पर्सनैलिटी एक अलग बनाए. ठीक है, किसी को कॉपी करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. जो लेडी थी who was thinking about suicide, she took this point. इस पॉइंट को उन्होंने लिया और अपनी जिंदगी में अप्लाई किया. मुझ जैसा तो कोई आर्ट अलग में है ही नहीं, so why should I think? मुझे परेशान क्यों होना चाहिए? मुझे परेशान नहीं होना चाहिए. So from that day she started being unique. She started being somehow, happy. She made friends, and now everywhere she was now enjoying her life. So what did she attain? She attained happiness from being herself. So this was one of the tips to be happy. Okay, and the second one is there are 4 good working habits. There are 4 good working habits. Okay, these are easy. There are 4 good working habits. This is the subtopic. This is the subtopic of the topic. The first one is, we got almost 4. And the first one is clear your desk. Clear your desk. All of you are students.
Yes.
And before exams, you people are just, spreading your books all over your bedroom, and you are just, having some tension that which book to read, which book to study, which book not to study. Okay, so this is one of the most common weaknesses of our people. We people are just spreading the books but not reading them, not studying. तो मतलब एक किताब पढ़ें. This point says that clear your desk. Focus at one problem at one time. Okay, focus on one problem at a time so that you people can focus, concentrate. बाकी किताबें दिखती रहेंगी तो आपको परेशानी बढ़ जाएगी कि अभी ये भी है, ये भी है, अभी उसकी भी तैयारी करनी है. So this is one of the 4 good working habits by which you can improve your. And the third one is do things in order. Second one is, what is it? Do things in order. Okay, take a simple real life example. All of you make cook, ladies especially, all of you cook at home. So सालन बनाते वक्त पहले पानी डालते हैं, फिर प्याज, फिर टमाटर, फिर ऑयल डालते हैं. हाँ? No, ये तो ब्लैक कढ़ाई बन जाएगी. Okay, so you people first of all have to put the oil, then you have to put the onions, then you have to add some spices, then the tomatoes, then the meat. So there is a process. So what does this thing say? This thing says that do everything in order. There is an order for everything. और इस पे एक बहुत अच्छी कोटेशन भी है. Order is heaven's first law. Heaven जन्नत, बेहश्त का पहला कानून क्या है? नज़्म व ज़ब्त. हर चीज वहाँ पे बराबर चीज से फैली हुई. So after that, do things in order. All of you will do things in order. Yes. And also clear your desk. Yes. Okay. And now the third point. The third point is, this is a common mistake our people make nowadays. The third point is don't pull off decisions. Decision mean आपके जो फैसले हैं. Many of our people are putting off our decisions. इसका मतलब क्या है? एक अगर पूजे में बंद करके बोलूं तो कल करेंगे, जबकि कल कभी नहीं आता. ओके, ये कल हो जाता है, फिर वो कल अगला कल हो जाता है. इसी तरह कल होके खत्म हो जाती है जिंदगी, पर वो कल नहीं आता. सो व्हाट डज दिस से? जैसे ही आपको आइडिया आए किसी अच्छी चीज के बारे में, जैसे ही आइडिया आए, यू पीपल हैव टू डू दैट थिंग एट दैट स्पॉट. मतलब मैंने पढ़ना था यार, तो कल नहीं, सुबह नहीं, शाम को नहीं, अभी से पढ़ना. उसी टाइम पे आपने बुक खोलनी है. एट दैट टाइम यू हैव टू स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट गुड वर्क. All of you got the third point? Yes. Okay, now the fourth point is, this is one of the most crucial point. Learn to organize, deputize, and supervise. Yes. What does this point say? This point say there are 3 main things to enjoy your work. 3 चीजें हैं जिनसे आप अपने काम को एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. द फर्स्ट वन इज ऑर्गेनाइज. हर चीज को तरतीब में रखें, एक नज्म ज़ब्त में रखें. द सेकंड वन इज डिप्यूटाइज. हर चीज पे मतलब बराबर फोकस करें एक तरह से. ठीक हो गया. एंड द थर्ड वन इज सुपरवाइज. अपने काम को बार बार आपने रिव्यू करना है. दैट एम आई डूइंग दिस वर्क करेक्टली और इनकरेक्टली. सो सही या गलत का आपने फर्क करके काम को आगे बढ़ाना है. दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट क्रूशियल पॉइंट्स इन गेनिंग सक्सेस. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टुवर्ड द थर्ड पॉइंट to gain peace and happiness. The third point is, what makes you tired and what you can do about it. आप किस चीज की वजह से थक जाते हैं? दिमाग, mentally, physically, both. Physically we can say that, what we can say, physically we can say that we just do work and we are tired, but mentally how are you tired? There is a fact that the brain never gets tired. The brain never gets tired. This is a fact. दिमाग कभी भी थकता नहीं है. दिल की तरह है. दिल और दिमाग कभी भी थकने वाली चीजों में से नहीं है. दिमाग की खूबी है, आप इसे जितना ज्यादा चलाएंगे ये और तेज होता जाएगा. Okay, its function increases. So what makes you tired? Your thinking makes you tired. Your thinking makes you tired. What does the thinking mean? आज तो बहुत काम कर लिया है, मतलब अब तो मैं थक गया हूँ. When do you think? जैसे ही आप सोचेंगे मैं I am tired, you become tired. You start becoming tired. और उधर से आगे तो आपके मतलब जोड़ों में भी दर्द होने लगते हैं, तरह तरह के बहाने निकलते हैं. So this is one of the, मतलब जैसे ही आप पढ़ाई से उठती हैं तो आप कहती हैं, या बॉयज, इफ यू आप लोगों को लगता है कि मतलब मैं थक रहा हूँ, हालांकि आप थक नहीं रहे होते. It's just your thinking, it's just your prediction that I am getting tired. So psychologically there is an effect. Okay, if there are students of psychology, what you think you become? अगर आप सोचेंगे मैं थक रहा हूँ, आप थक जाते हैं. Okay, so this What you can do about it? Keep yourself interesting. Try to develop some interest. मतलब आप किताब पढ़ रहे हैं ना, तो उठने के बाद ये टॉपिक इंटरेस्टिंग है, मैं थोड़ा और दोबारा पढ़ता हूँ इसको, तो you start developing the interest. इसके जगह पे अगर आप बोलेंगे I'm getting tired, you will just get tired. Okay, very quickly. After that, how to banish boredom? How to banish boredom? This is also a question, and what you can do about it. Boredom कहते हैं बोरियत. Okay, all of you are getting bored, especially from my lecture. Okay, so how to banish boredom? There is a thing. You people have to somehow do interesting things. इस सवाल का जो solution क्या है पता है? Choose your field according to your interests. For example, there is a person who wanted to become an artist, but someone forced him. Anyone can force him. His environment, उसके हालात ने मजबूर किया. He became a doctor. Would he be happy? No. For his entire life, he would be somehow पछतावा होता रहेगा उसको कि मैं डॉक्टर क्यों बना, हालांकि मेरा शौक था आर्टिस्ट बनना. So how to banish boredom? इसका आंसर सिंपल है. Do and choose the field in which you are interested. It is one of the ways to gain peace and happiness both. Okay, if you do something you are interested in, you gain peace and happiness both. आपको सुकून भी मिलता है और खुशी भी मिलती है. Now after that, there is a question for each and every person in this class. That question is, would you take $1 million? $1 million for what you have. आपको अचानक सड़क पे कोई मिल जाता है. That person says that I will give you $1 million. I only need your hand. मुझे सिर्फ आपका बाजू चाहिए. So would you people accept? No. $1 million? No, because nobody wants to somehow lose anything from their body especially. मतलब कोई आपसे कहता है मुझे एक आंख दे दो अपनी, ठीक है, मैं आपको $1 अरब दूंगा. You won't take it simply. Okay, you won't take it. So this is one of the question. एक बहुत खूबसूरत कोटेशन है. Count your blessings, not your troubles. Count your blessings, not your trouble. अपने नियामतें गिने, अपने मुश्किलात या अपने जो मतलब खामियां हैं वो न गिने. जो खुदा ने आपको नियामतें दी हैं वो गिनना शुरू करें. You will start gaining peace and happiness both. Now after that, what is it? No one kicks a dead dog. आप लोगों ने हमारी सोसाइटी में देखा होगा, many people are suffering from inferiority complex, एहसास से कमतरी. Okay, so ये बहुत ही एक तरह से मुहावरा भी कह सकते हैं. No one ever kicks a dead dog. हकीकत है, कोई कुत्ता मरा पड़ा है, आप उसे लात मारते हैं, लेकिन अगर कोई कुत्ता उधर चल के आ रहा है तो खवातीन तो जूते भी उठाते हैं. You people are just somehow hitting them. You people are just changing your road. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? Dead dog. Here the word dead dog. This means a person with no importance. ऐसा शख्स जो बिल्कुल भी जरूरी नहीं हो, जिसकी कोई हैसियत ना हो, उसको कहते हैं डेड डॉग. इंसान की कब हैसियत खत्म हो जाती है? When he is a dead body somehow you can say. So no one ever kicks a dead dog. इस पॉइंट से आपको क्या समझ आता है? You people somehow have to accept that if someone is teasing you, this means you are important somehow. अगर आपको कोई तंग नहीं करेगा तो आपकी कोई इंपॉर्टेंस ही नहीं हुई. बट इफ यू हैव सम इंपॉर्टेंस, पीपल विल टीज यू, पीपल विल समहाउ टॉन्ट यू. आपको ताने मारेंगे बिकॉज दे आर बर्निंग फ्रॉम इनसाइड. जलन होती है ना एक दूसरे से. सो दैट्स द मेन पॉइंट. सो आफ्टर दैट अ स्टोरी इज ऑन दिस. इस पॉइंट पे आई विल गिव अ शॉर्ट स्टोरी. एक शहजादा था. राजा ने फौज के तौर तरीकों से उसको क्या कहते हैं आशना करने के लिए उसको भेजा फौज में. तो 3 फौजियों ने उसे खूब पीटा. जो नए फौजी आए थे उन्होंने उसको खूब पीटा शहजादे को. उनको दरबार में बुलाया गया. राजा ने पूछा कि क्यों पीटा मेरे बेटे को. तो फौजियों ने कहा कि जहां पना जब आप मर जाते तो ये राजा बन जाता, तो हम लोगों को कह सकते थे हमने राजा को लात मारी है किसी जमाने में. हाँ, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? शहजादे की इंपॉर्टेंस थी तो उससे पीटा गया. ठीक हो गया. तो इस तरह आपको इस पॉइंट से क्या समझ आता है? दैट नो वन एवर किक्स अ डेड डॉग. आपकी इंपॉर्टेंस है। अगर आप कोई आपको तंग कर रहा है, ठीक है, वो कोई जिंदगी भी हो सकती है, जिंदगी भी आपको अगर तंग कर रही है तो यू आर इम्पोर्टेंट समहाउ। ओके, एंड इफ यू आर इम्पोर्टेंट, if you understand your importance, then that is also a way to gain peace and happiness. And now the last point, act with mastery. What does this point mean? ये जिंदगी से एक तरह से मुतल्लिक पॉइंट है, act with mastery। इस पॉइंट का मतलब ये है कि आपने अपने जिंदगी के साथ एक तरह से ठीक से सोच के अपनी जिंदगी से टॉप टू बॉटम हर फैसला एक तरह से क्या कहते हैं, दूरअंदेश होके करना है। You know, don't believe on your emotions. Use your mind more than your heart. In this point, it says that if you start using your mind, okay, we people had a debate that mind was better, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, so the mind wants, so if you use your mind, there would be less consequences. There is a book written by Ali Shafak, The 40 Rules of Love. One of the rules says that heart and mind, heart and intellect, okay, emotions and intellect are two different things. इमोशंस आपसे कहते हैं, मतलब समझ लें आपके सामने कोई खाई है, तो इमोशंस आपसे कहते हैं, नहीं, दिमाग आपसे कहता है इसमें कूदोगे तो मर जाओगे, गिरोगे मरोगे, बट व्हाट डज इमोशन से, खाई ही तो है, कूद पड़ो, तो नुकसान किस में है, इमोशंस में। सो यू पीपल हैव टू यूज योर इंटेलेक्ट एंड प्ले विथ योर लाइफ एंड एक्ट विथ मास्टरी विथ योर लाइफ सो दैट you can gain peace and happiness. So now let me tell you people that somehow the short summary. The first one, this is a book written by Dale Carnegie and it has 4 parts. I am going to describe the first part. What was it? 7 ways to get peace and happiness if you try to apply them. Okay, the first one is be yourself. By being yourself you can attain happiness and peace both. After that, there are some good working habits which if you people apply in your life, you will be somehow successful as well as you will have peace and happiness. The third one is what makes you tired and what you can do about it. If you start doing interesting things, the things you are interested in, you will automatically gain peace and happiness. And the fourth one is how to banish boredom. बोरियत को कैसे खत्म करें? Choose the field in which you are interested. Always follow your interest and you would be successful. If you banish boredom, you will automatically get peace and happiness. After that, count your blessings, not your troubles. If you start counting your blessings, it would be uncountable and you would start gaining happiness and peace. मतलब खुदा की नियामतों को गिनना शुरू करते ही हमें चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट आने लगती. Okay, we smile that I have all this. Why am I worrying about? Okay. So after that, no one ever kicks at that dog. This point says that understand your importance. And the last one is play with your life with mastery. Okay, never make decisions from your emotions. Always use your mind to make your decisions. Okay, so that you people face less consequences. ताकि नताइज भुगतने ना पड़े, नताइज हासिल हो. ठीक हो गया? So this was a short summary. Now thank you very much for listening and